The first question is, how can I make myself the best version of me that I will find love, be happy, etc.? What hobbies should I have? So the first thing that I wanted to tell you is that number one has nothing to do with hobbies. It has nothing to do with something external. When you are trying to find happiness, the common misconception that most people have is that it's something external, whether it be money, fame, followers, clout, whatever it is. That is the wrong way to think about happiness. The only way you should be able to look at your happiness is that it's internal and it's never external. The same thing that I always say about motivation. Motivation is not external, it's internal. That's real motivation. In order to find true happiness, what is it? It's not external, it's internal. So it has nothing to do with social media, it has nothing to do with your hobbies, it has nothing to do with anything like that. Chasing vanity has nothing to do with that. You need to build up your own self-worth. You need to realize that you are special, that you matter, that you're powerful, that you can do anything you want on this planet if you set your mind to it. You have unlimited potential. You have to tell yourself things like that. You have to go deep. And as I said before, you want to build up your self-worth. It does not come from your phone. It does not come from technology. It does not come from TV. It does not come from video games. You have to be able to go, no technology, no phone, no music, and go within yourself. Go outside and go within yourself to find out who you truly are. This phone ain't nothing but a distraction. This phone ain't nothing but a distraction from your goals. And you know this. So I don't even need to tell you anything further on that. You need to be able to dive deep on who you truly are as a person. Because everybody, when they're born, when they're a child, they're creative, they're happy, they want to play, they're excited about the world. And what has happened is that, again, we've let the world just stomp on our dreams, just step on our goals, step on our dreams, and everybody's laughing at you. You got bullies, you got social media, you got getting a job, you have all of these things that are constantly trying to pull you down. But the thing is, you never truly know your true potential if you allow these things to keep reigning over you. You're never going to find happiness if you have low self-worth, low self-esteem, if you're battling negativity, anxiety, all of these things. You have to be able to heal from them. You have to be able to grow from them. But that does not come from being on your phone, scrolling through Instagram. These things are only feeding you more and more negativity. Answer this question. Being on social media, has it made you feel better about your life or worse about your life? Or is it just neutral? Most people, and I'm gonna say 90% of people, will probably say that it makes them feel worse. Again, why? Because you're chasing other people's lives. You're seeing other people's hobbies, other people's dreams, other people's goals, while you're sitting back, I don't know, eating Doritos. And that's normal. Normal people eat Doritos, but they don't post that. So I need you to realize is that you need to stop letting the world beat you down. You deserve to be happy. You deserve to have motivation, self-worth, confidence. You deserve all of that. But you have to go inward to unlock it. That gem, that inner child, that inner motivation is still there. You just have to fish it out and rein it back in and realize, go back to the basics in life. All this is just social engineering, and you know it. For you to think a certain way, for you to be a certain way. All of that is social engineering. You need to press pause, put the pause button on social media, on technology, and tell yourself that you need a break, and that's normal. Everybody needs a break from social media. But if you're trying to put your happiness first, the first thing that you should do is delete your social media on your phone. Maybe keep it on your computer, but delete it off your phone. Get back to the basics. How do I build my happiness? What are my hobbies? What are my goals? All of those things come from going within yourself. Once you figure out, hey, I like to paint, go out and buy the supplies, go get a class. It could be online. And start doing it. Start taking care of yourself again. Stop paying other people or put money in other people's pockets. Start putting your faith and your money and your time and your investment and your passion into yourself. Go find a hobby. Everybody's got a hobby. Everybody's got a talent. But if you're just chasing other people, how can you really elevate in life? That's my advice to you. I hope you can understand. I hope you can grow from it. I hope you can take all of your, whether it be your past, your anxiety, and work through it through meditation, through wellness practices. There are apps that will help you with this. And I hope that you can reach your full potential, because so many people are robbed of their full potential and they don't even know it. I'm getting robbed still. So I know a lot of people are, but you have to be able to unlock it. And that won't come from technology. It just not come from technology. So I want you to realize that. I want you to truly find your voice, find your passion, because I know you have it in you. I know you have a voice. I know you have a passion. I want you to unlock that.